Hey guys, Anthony here from TRX4 RC Garage, and today we are going to be installing the Husky link steering link set for Redcat Gen 8 by Club 5 Racing. And here is your part number. Anyway, so we have to assemble these. These look pretty nice. I mean, these things kind of remind me of a Vanquish type link. Solid. Well, here, let me show you what one looks like. Just kind of give you an idea. So, solid link already has the threading on the actual link itself. So basically what we have to do is install the all the bits and pieces that go on there. And what comes in the package is going to be the complete steering link for the Gen 8, as well as the Panhard bar, which goes on the very back, and that's the one that's got that special bend to it. So what we have to do is we have to install all these little pieces, just like you do with a Incision Vanquish links. So now the thing I've noticed on these is these come with a pretty heavy duty looking link end. They feel pretty durable too. I hope they feel good as what they feel. So basically what I've learned, ooh, these things pre-threaded. So what I've learned with the incisions is basically just use one of your tools and just hold it tight with your fingers. Now with the incision ones, sometimes they can be a little tighter, so then you may have to use two tools. Yeah, these are going together pretty decent. Here. Now this is the Gen 8 that we installed the servo repositioning, as well as I added the shock towers, they call them, but they're basically the extension to the actual chassis. So I'm going to show you what this looks like here in 2 seconds. So basically what we got to do now is just position these to be in the right spot. So basically down to that, and let me see something here. See, this is perfect. This is the one that's need a little bit more. Okay, so there's the front link. And just, if you all want to know how to do these are simple. Take your 2mm fine, drop the ball in there, and just push down hard. And there it is. It's locked. So, in order to get this to be straight, I had to offset my servo horn, steering horn here, or whatever. And so obviously it's because this link was too long. So we're going to use the shorter one, and that'll bring it back to more dead center. So these can be dead center. So that's what we're doing right now. So we'll be right back. Alright, so first we're going to take the 2mm, take this off the servo, and my 5.5. I'm going to go ahead and take this off. this with the spacer. Now the spacer already comes with your truck. And screw this up in here. We'll put the new steering on. We'll go ahead and put the 5.5 nut back on here. And of course using the 2.5. Now stock ones are not 2.5. I just put an aftermarket one on here when I was doing my changeover. Okay, so this is already set. We'll just leave this over here. So what we got to do now, we're going to go to the Panhard in here. Okay, so originally I had changed the Panhard bar out. The Panhard bar originally was on the back side, back in there, and I moved it to the front. Supposedly it was supposed to be for better movement, I guess. I don't know, that's what they were telling me, by moving it forward. So I don't know. I mean, it's not hitting at all, so it's fine. And just pop one out. Not that expensive, but look how different. Stock one, new one. Heavier, lighter, really thin, nice heavy duty. So this is what's going to go here. Alright. Gonna have to find a different screw for this one because this one's got some kind of a weirdness to it. Not sure why. Position. But that's installed, so now I'm just going to take this steering arm off here and bolt on the other one. So let's do this real quick. That one off. Go ahead and put this one on. Yeah, nut back on. So now the only thing we got left to do is turn the truck on so the servo straightens out. We'll install this back on to the horn. Actually, I'll just go ahead and put that on the horn now. And then we'll just go ahead and set it. Look at that, dead center, looks good. Okay. Alright, so here we go. There's the steering. Hey guys, there it is. Sport does definitely do a lot better than Gen 8 on this one. Your front end's not locking, or something's wrong with your front end. Your right front tire is not working. Look at that. One second. Why is your right front tire not working?